Okay, game. Okay, game.
Hello guys, we're back to Alexa 24 Variety. Today, we're gonna open my presents from yesterday in April 25. I'm gonna start with this.
Who give you that?
This is
Open.
happy birthday, 7th birthday, Alexa. ILSA from teacher Corinne.
Infant Jesus.
Yeah.
Infant Jesus School from Teacher Corinne. Okay, give me the card. Punitin mo.
How do I do this?
Punitin mo lang. There. Doon sa tali. Diyan.
I can't do it. Can you help?
Hold it. Hold it. From Teacher Corinne. Galing sa teacher niya lo nung kinder. Okay.
I'm gonna like,
Yan ni Lolo. Itabi
ow,
daw.
that hurts.
It's okay, go.
Nasa village.
Apa.
Oh my, what the heck?
What's that? Stop singing.
Ah, it's a backpack again.
What's inside?
It is a backpack.
Kaya nga eh. Oh, what else? What else? What ano, sinamurol?
Ah, Chromie.
Oh, koromi. Okay, what's inside pa?
Dapat pag-open
Give me.
Thank you. Oh,
Put it
thank
here.
you. Hindi yung
Next is, like, this is a
Yung pang
small
labot.
bag. This is a small bag. Oh, there's scotch tape. I need scissors.
Tulong kasi.
Can you get a scissor in the kitchen?
What? No. No more na. Do like that na.
Yeah.
My own K-pop Demon Hunter notebook. I dream to have this for IDs.
Okay, next.
And
Dream pala niya. May na natong ipalitan.
This,
Card.
I had two of
Green
these.
card.
Before I only had one. Now I have two.
Oh, see? Oh, snake. Ibalik mo! Put it back.
Yung Chromie bag, ayaw mo yan, di ba? Akin na lang yan.
Ano Chromie bag? Akin yan. Ano ba?
What's inside pa?
Joke lang.
K-pop Demon. Should I open it?
Siyempre.
I think it's a no. Wait, wait, what is this? Card. There's more cards.
Oh, put it back. Next naman. Ang bagal magbukas ng isa.
Last one
There
is
is pa?
more stickers. I love stickers.
Oh, you put it back na unang kunin lahat.
I know.
Basta, keep up demo, no? Next.
I'm gonna open this from Kia.
I'll give you that. Read it. Give me the card.
Kia. From Kia.
Okay.
Yeah, it is Kia. I'm gonna start over here. No, it's pencils, I think. Oh my god. They give me another one. They give me another one.
Buksan mo na. Huwag mo na anuin lahat. What's that? Ay, nanay likes that.
I think they never. He only uses TikTok.
Oh.
TikTok.
Oh, next.
Let's just leave the thing.
Yeah, go next. Bisa mo kasi inaantok si Lolo. Pakita mo.
I know.
Oh, see, what's this? Agoy!
Ako ka dyan. Dali.
Ay, unicorn. No,
I'm gonna
stationaries.
open this naman. This is from...
Basahin mo. Ang ganda naman ng gift. Ang ganda ng to
I cannot read it. Lolo.
Alexa, happy birthday. Many more to come. Lolo and Lola Jimmy.
Who are these?
Tito Jimmy? Tita Chris.
Oh yeah. I forgot.
Unatin mo sa taas. Akin ang card.
Rona, you got it? I might delete it.
Go. Dito sa taas.
Dito.
Unta, ayan, there.
I need this card too.
Nuna, punitin mo na lang. Di pa.
What is this?
What's
Ow.
that?
It's a... I don't know what this is.
Hello Kitty.
What's that?
I know it's Hello Kitty.
Crossbody.
Yeah, crossbody bag.
Crossbody bag.
Open it.
Open mo.
Go-
Open it.
Akin na pag hindi tayo pa ako mag-open.
Open o. Oh, ayan o. Attache case. Hello Kitty.
It's like a suitcase.
Balik. Next.
I
Siganahan
don't
basta
know who's
ibutang.
this from.
Walang card sa likod. Tingnan mo sa likod. Wala.
Wala.
Uy, nindot din na. Kaya?
Wala.
Oh, punitin mo na.
Kaya body bag, nindot na. Uso din na. This for Nina. Yay! For mine. Kasi you don't like it.
It's mine.
I thought you don't like it.
I like everything.
Ay, binibili.
I like everything. Not you. You only buy.
Kahit ano, taing ang bata.
I think this is from Nina. No, this is from I think Bella or Gabby. I don't know. This is what is this?
Tayog iring ko no.
Taing iring, gusto mo? Taing ng pusa. You say you like everything. Taing ng pusa, gusto mo?
Except that. Except that. At pipi din hindi.
At bibili.
Ako nga, gusto ko eh.
Okay, that show it, prove it.
Okay.
Uy, dalaw tayo.
Ugo, ako na ang nag-open. O, gitit.
It's like clothes. Wow.
Kay Lola Luz yan. Alam ko.
How do you know?
Siyempre. Oh, kay Lola Luz. Galing yan kay Lola Luz. Oh.
Ano na rin kay Melby, kung kasya ba?
Mo gani, panghuwatong ganina.
I'm not gonna wear it.
Kung kasya. Papalitan mo. Kung
Next, what's next?
kay
I'm
Melby.
gonna do Ninong.
What's that?
I'm gonna do it from Ninong. I know this is Ninong.
You
Ninong.
like everything.
Happy birthday, Alex, from Ninong Jimwell.
These are dresses. I know these are dresses. He told me earlier. He told me like yesterday.
Akin na yung paper bag, nga malaki. Akin na yan nilagay dito. Mayroon pa, wala na, akin na. Wala kayo na basura. Wow, Nanay likes that.
They never. You're never gonna use it. In life. Hindi.
Wow. Huwag na, ang dami yan.
Ano kay Mano, dili ka niya malang
Sama.
Tama na, 10 years old yan eh. In order niya.
Ano mo sa'yo?
Wow!
Oh, it's skirt.
With skirt pala this one. Ito na pala eh. Galing ni Ninong ah. Just kid pa yan.
A big one.
Hindi, basahin mo oh.
Happy birthday, Alexa.
Ha?
How can you read it?
Kanino yan?
Small.
Happy birthday, Alexa, from... kay Maria Anchiki. Galing kay Tito Nyok. Okay na.
Yeah.
Laki niya na.
Ilan ka na ba yung anak ni Ano?
Si Chiki? Mas matanda kay Alexa. Punitin mo na! Oh, siyempre ganun talaga mga bata yan. Mabilis tumangkad.
It's a pillow.
Sino yan?
It's Pampa. No, I don't know the name from Scenario.
I love it. Ayaw niya yan.
Ayaw ka dyan. Yan, saan galing yan?
This one.
Yan, kanina yan. Basahin mo sa harap. Walang pangalan?
Happy birthday, Alexa. That's it.
Saan galing?
I don't know.
That's your name.
It is
Happy birthday, Alexa. Saan galing? Alam ko na to. From Nana.
I know.
Ba't dalawa? Isa lang yung paper bag natin eh. Kunin mo yung damit.
Ow. Can you help?
Ay, hindi. Iba to. Saan galing to?
Kay Melby yan.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh. Ang cute. Saan galing? Sino nagbigay? May hanger pa. Wala.
Wait, give me borrow.
Wala. Walang nakalagay. Wala, may hanger pang kasama.
Dinamad-namad to.
Wala, there's no card nga eh. Sino kayo nagbigay yan? Okay, put it back. Okay.
Kaya
Wala, happy birthday lang eh. Walang pangalan. Happy birthday, Alexa. Nako.
I know this already. This is from Tito Primo Tito.
Tita Narvin.
Yeah, and Bibi Narvin.
Okay. Akin yung card. Tago natin.
I know what's inside, like money.
Ah, rich ka ngayon eh. How much?
That's for me.
That's for Lolo. Ang money for Lolo. Ang clothes for Nainay.
No, money.
How much? 500? 1, 2. Wow, bago. Binta mo to kay Toto.
They give me panty.
Oh,
They give me panty, ma.
500, ha?
They give me panty.
Panty.
Ma, this cute. And the rest are so cute.
Oh, balik mo sa paper bag.
Okay, and do you know what my favorite are them? Do
What?
you know what my favorite of them?
Daw.
Hanay, bato-bato tayo, ha?
Wow!
Bato-bato tayo. Magbato-bato ka nun yan.
Haha! I have one. You don't have.
Naman ako doon.
Next. Oh, give you that. Oh, that's Nana Anika. Oh, give na. Alam mo na yan eh.
Yeah, I didn't say a name. So,
That's okay na. That's Nana. Oh, di ba? Ang dami niya kay Nana, oh. Oh, put it back. Alam na yan kasi
I'm
sinukat
just gonna
mo.
put this over here.
Ang galing.
Next.
Dami na
Love Ate Christian.
Ayan. I know you like it that. To Alexa from Ate Cyrene and Clyde. Oh, that's
Who's that?
galing kay Tita Sindel yan.
Huh? Who's that?
Tita Sindel. Diba? Tito Don?
Wow!
I know you like it that.
How do you know?
Besta, besta.